Claude opened your computer, found the file, exported it, opened your calendar, and attached it. By itself. Without you touching your laptop. This just became real. 2 days ago, on March 24, 2026, Anthropic announced Claude can now literally use your computer. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Aapke Main or AI. Today we are covering the biggest Claude update of 2026, computer use. This is not a chatbot anymore. Claude is now an AI agent that controls your actual desktop. What is Claude Computer Use? Simple explanation, Claude can now see your screen, move your mouse, click buttons, type into apps, open files, and browse the internet. All by itself. While you are away. This is available in 2 places, Claude Cowork, the desktop app from Anthropic. And Claude Code, the developer tool. Currently available for Claude Pro and Claude Max subscribers on Mac. Research preview, so it is still improving. How does it actually work? Step 1, you open Claude Cowork on your Mac. Step 2, you give Claude a task either on desktop or from your iPhone using Dispatch. Step 3, Claude first tries connectors, Google Calendar, Slack, Gmail. If a connector exists, it uses that, fast and precise. Step 4, if no connector is available, Claude takes control of your actual screen. It can see what is on your screen, click, type, scroll, exactly like a human would. Step 5, you come back to finished work. Real example from Anthropic's demo, user on iPhone types, export pitch deck as PDF and add to meeting. Claude opens Mac, finds the file, exports PDF, opens calendar, attaches file. All done. User just unlocks their laptop and sees completed work. What can Claude do on your computer? Open and edit files, Word, Excel, PDFs, anything. Browse the internet, research, fill forms, copy information. Use development tools. For developers, Claude can write code, run tests, open terminal. Control apps, open apps, navigate menus, click buttons. Create morning briefings, while you are sleeping or commuting. Manage your 3D printing project, keep it running according to your plan. Is it safe? This is the question everyone asks. Good news, Anthropic built strong safety features. Claude asks permission before accessing each new application. Sensitive apps are blocked by default, investment platforms, crypto apps. You can add any app to a block list, Claude will never touch it. No passwords or financial data stored in memory. You can view, edit, or delete everything Claude remembers, full transparency. One important thing, your Mac must be awake and Claude desktop app must be open. Claude cannot wake up a sleeping computer, yet. Claude also has memory now, free for everyone. This week Anthropic also pushed memory to all Claude users, including free tier. Claude now remembers your name, your work style, your preferences, your ongoing projects. Across every conversation. So Claude Computer Use plus memory means, Claude knows how you work, and it completes tasks your way. This is a personal AI employee, not just a chatbot. How is this different from other AI tools? ChatGPT can chat. Gemini can search. Claude can actually do things on your computer. This is the next level, from AI assistant to AI agent. Microsoft has Copilot, but it only works inside Microsoft apps. Claude works across your entire Mac, any app, any file, any website. Should you try it? If you have Claude Pro or Max, yes, enable it today. Go to Claude Cowork settings, enable computer use, research preview. Start with simple tasks, send this email, find this file, fill this form. Build trust slowly. Then give it bigger tasks. If you are on free plan, Claude Memory is already active for you right now. Go to claude.ai, check your memory settings, see what Claude remembers about you. This is not the future anymore. This is today. AI that chats was 2023. AI that thinks was 2024. AI that works, that is 2026. If this video helped you understand Claude Computer Use, like it and share it. Subscribe to Aapke Main or AI, because every week something this big is happening in AI and we break it down in simple language. Comment below, would you trust Claude to use your computer? Yes or no? Allah Hafiz, AAP main or AI?